Okay, I'll get to you guys. Hello. You're nice and calm. Hey, no biting me. I just want to pet you. You don't want to be pet? Oh, hello. Hello. Hey, no biting. Now it's your turn. Do you not want to be in here?
Hi. Let me pure on my hands.
This one wants to get out. Yep. They all seem like they want to jump out. What are you doing? I know. Hey, come here. Hello, sir. Hey. Oh, that one's riled up. You just want to get out, don't you? Hi. You're cute. Oh, and crazy, just like the others. Are you trying to dig your way out? That's not how you're gonna get out. One day, I swear, one day all these puppies are gonna escape. I'll get to you. Hi, let me see you. Hi. Oh. Hey. Hi. Oh boy. This one looks like Muffin. Stop. Stop. Calm down, you guys. Oh boy. Oh boy. You want to go in with them? I think 2 is just enough in here. You should be nice and calm. Hey. Oh yeah, you're nice and calm. Are you a Shih Tzu? Are you a Shih Tzu? This one is crying. Huh? I'm videoing all the puppies. Are you a Shih Tzu? Hi, puppies. Hamsters. Turn around. Oh, you're awake.
Well, hamsters are nocturnal, so maybe they're not in the mood. Anyone else awake?
Oh, Rolovsky.
Oh, now he's...
Rolovsky. Hello. Come on.
Customer service call.
You got weird eyes.
Line 1. Customer service call holding. Line 1.
Hello. Jaden. Oh, hello. It's Ari's family. Hello. Are you Ari's family?
Although, really, I don't think they are, though, because we're in New York, and Ari's from Arizona. Hello. What are you doing?
Look at this. Hello.
Whoop.
Guys, look. It's Mortimer. Hey, Mortimer.
Oh, too close? Does not look like Mortimer though. This will be the kind of bird that Kelsey has.